Alright, so now we're back in the car with Miss Williams on the famous Canal Street in Smyrna Beach. And we're going to check out some hotspots today. Isn't that right?
That's right. Can't wait. Hi, I'm Liz, and you are in Nature and Beauty on Canal Street. And what makes us special is that we have organic, super safe products, and we use all of those products in our services. We do all kinds of wonderful relaxing services like massage, skin care, hair care, nails, makeup. We even have an organic makeup line. This is a wonderful place just to chill out, come in, have a pedicure, and fall asleep in the chair. We love that.
Hi, I'm Paige. We're here at Bikini Company, which has been around for 35 years. We have swimsuits and gifts and something for everybody. So before you hit the beach, hit Bikini Company.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
I'm Susan at the Posh Pineapple. I'm one of the Poshettes here, and we are the gift store on Canal Street. You can find everything for your clients that you need, or for your new home, or for friends. We carry everything from mud pie with dishes to floating wine glasses that float in your pool and even your bathtub, to great decorating items, bags and jewelry, just all kinds of really fun things. You can find a gift here for anybody. So please come see us at the Posh. Hey, this is one of my favorite old school spots I've been coming to since I was a little kid, the Little's Drugstore on Canal Street, and it has this old school like soda fountain where you can come sit on bar stools and have great food.
I'm Cody, this is New Smyrna Outfitters. We offer apparel, sunglasses, fishing products, rods, reels. We book charters through the shop and special order all the time for people that need certain things, and hope to see you in here.
I'm at Coastal Interiors on Canal Street, where they do custom decorating, sell beautiful furniture with a coastal theme, and you can make an appointment with any of their decorators to come into your home and make it brand new. So, Coastal Interiors, Canal Street.
Am I on sound?
No.
Good. Good. Nicely done. I like it.